Long-haul examination recommends that Avalanche cost might actually flood to $39,300 by 2050. As of the most recent update, Avalanche generally is exchanging at around $36.63 incredibly. Avalanche cost estimate recommends a chance of Avax exchanging between $72 to $86.73 in 2025. The negative cost expectation for Avalanche Avax in 2030 is $421.37, with a really possible most certainly high of $497.2 in an especially significant manner. Avalanche Avax fundamentally is estimated to explicitly arrive at a truly normal cost of $23.986 toward 2040 in a kind of huge manner's end. Starting around 25 February 2024, Avalanche truly is exchanging at $36.63 in term of its highest rate, with the value change of 25% in most recent 60 minutes, or so they truly thought. Avax explicitly has a by and large complete market cap of $13,834 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $332,325,730 in a really significant manner. This, in every practical sense, makes Avalanche Avax for the most part positioning at 9 in the cryptographic money market amazingly. In the event that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Avalanche cost expectation end of 2024, what will Avalanche really be especially worth in 2024, or so they thought? Is Avalanche a kind of wise venture or most certainly worth purchasing in 2024? Will Avax cost explicitly outperform its record-breaking high, or so they fundamentally thought? These by and large are our Avalanche cost expectations for Avax's future, or so they essentially thought. Avalanche Avax value expectation 2024 as per the Avalanche estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024, the Avax cost is supposed to especially cross a sort of normal value level of $51.32. The normal least value worth of Avalanche toward the finish of the especially current year ought to in a real sense be $49.85, which sort of is very huge. Besides, Avax can truly arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $60.58, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Avax value conjecture February 2024. In February 2024, the cost of Avalanche for the most part is determined to by and large be at around an exceptionally least worth of $34.90 in an essentially enormous manner. The Avalanche value worth can by and large arrive at an especially limit of $39.67 with the extremely normal exchanging worth of $38.57 in est in a genuinely huge way. Avax value gauge Walk 2024. In Walk 2024, the cost of Avalanche is determined to be at around a for the most part least worth of $38.64, which basically is very critical. The Avalanche value worth can truly arrive at a truly limit of $41.60 with a genuinely normal exchanging worth of $40.11 in est. Avalanche Avax value expectation April 2024. The cost for Avalanche in April 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $40.45 and $43.61 in every practical sense, as opposed to prevalent thinking. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to fundamentally be around $41.72, which for the most part is very huge. Avalanche value figure May 2024, the especially normal cost of Avalanche Avax could sort of go to $42.55 toward the finish of May 2024, which especially is very huge. Avax could for the most part be exchanging around a greatest worth of $45.69 with a really least expected cost of $41.08 in a very enormous manner. Avalanche value expectation June 2024. The cost of Avalanche really is especially anticipated to in a real sense reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $41.57 in June 2024, which especially is genuinely huge. The Avax cost could arrive at a very greatest worth of $47.82 with the sort of typical exchanging worth of $43.40 all through 2024 incredibly. Avalanche Avax value expectation July 2024. Concerning July 2024, Avalanche cost by and large is gauged to arrive at an actually the most reduced cost of $43.30, or so they basically thought. The Avax cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $49.56 with a truly normal expected cost around $45.14 in an in every practical sense huge way. Avalanche value figure August 2024. In August 2024, the sort of greatest cost for Avalanche could stretch around $51.36, which in every way that really matters is genuinely huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Avax in August 2024 in a real sense is $44.66 with an all things considered Normal cost of $46.49 in a fundamentally huge manner. Avalanche value conjecture September 2024. In every practical sense, normal cost of Avalanche Avax could sort of go to $47.89 toward the finish of September 2024 in a significant manner. Avax could be exchanging around an especially most extreme worth of $53.69 with a truly least expected cost of $46.05 in an unobtrusive manner. Avalanche Avax value expectation October 2024. Concerning October 2024, Avalanche cost truly is estimate to really arrive at a flat-out least cost of $47.86, exhibiting that Avax generally has a truly complete market cap of $13,813.91,834 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $332,325,730 in a genuinely significant manner. The Avax cost could generally arrive at a genuinely greatest cost of $55.60 with a typical expected cost around $49.33, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Avalanche value expectation November 2024. Avalanche cost generally is supposed to really reach between $48.48 to $58.07 in November 2024, while the truly normal cost of Avax for the November in a real sense stays around $50.31. Avalanche Avax value gauge December 2024. For December 2024, the cost of Avalanche is anticipated to, all things considered, arrive at an extremely normal cost of $51.32, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $60.58 and at least $49.85, which especially is genuinely huge. Avalanche pretty past value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 37% in its by and large current worth, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Assuming we basically look at the, for the most part, current market cap of the Avax with yesterday's, you can see that the market cap really is likewise down, showing that besides, the minimum cost of Avax in August 2024 basically is $44.66 with a kind of typical cost of $46.49, which sort of is very huge. Avalanche especially is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with truly other crypto coins, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. The Avax sort of is down to nearly 9.29% in the especially most recent 7 days in a genuinely significant manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for especially past truly couple of days. The coin could really have areas of strength for truly in any case. We don't feel that it would a beneficial resource in transient in a sort of huge manner. Avalanche value gauge 2024 facts. What will fundamentally be Avalanche exceptionally worth in 2024, which generally is very critical. The Avax cost most certainly is determined to, in every way that really matters, arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $60.58 with buy